Welcome to a journey of flavors and indulgence. Today, we invite you to join us as we discover the exquisite delights of Jamaica's Black Cake. Originating from the vibrant island of Jamaica, Black Cake is a beloved dessert with a rich history. Made with love and care, it has become a staple in Jamaican culture, especially during festive occasions. The secret lies in the ingredients. A harmonious blend of dried fruits, like raisins, prunes, and currants, soaked in a delightful medley of rum and wine. The mix is then infused with rich spices, such as nutmeg, cinnamon, and allspice, giving it a unique and tantalizing flavor. But what truly sets this cake apart is its preparation. From the careful measuring and mixing to the lengthy marination process, Black Cake embodies patience and dedication. It's a labor of love that culminates in a moist, densely packed cake that is dark, yet incredibly delicious. The black color comes from browning, a syrup made by caramelizing sugar until it reaches a deep, almost black hue. This adds depth and sweetness to the cake, enhancing its already complex flavors. But no cake is complete without the finishing touch. A velvety layer of royal icing, adorned with intricate designs, adds a touch of elegance to this already decadent treat. It's a true symphony for your taste buds and a visual delight. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply craving a slice of heaven, Jamaica's Black Cake is a must-try. Its unique blend of flavors, cultural significance, and meticulous craftsmanship make it a true delight for all. So, why not embark on this delectable journey yourself? Try your hand at baking this Jamaican masterpiece, and savor every mouthful of this culinary marvel. Thank you for joining us today and experiencing the exquisite delights of Jamaica's Black Cake. We hope you enjoyed this journey of flavor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures and mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy baking!